That's it. Alright guys. Welcome back to another video, or Animal Company video, and today we're going mining. Yo, get back over here! Ow. Well, I'll show you the goober we're doing it with. And today we're going mining. We gotta get this. We gotta get this. And I guess we could go in with a robot. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna see if the robot can grab stuff. Cause if it can, it cannot. How I look so goofy. Oh. What? No, I'll get you guys back. Alright, well, we're just gonna go mining. So come on, guys, let's go. Alright, I'm coming in the mines. I'm gonna have to hold you guys on my left. I don't know if I'm forgetting anything, because if I am... Oh. Just cut. Bro, where are you at? Ooh, research crystal. Okay. Is he in here? Kill it! Oh my gosh, this is... I suck at the mines. Oh no. Don't worry guys, I'm right here. I'm right here. I know you guys see me upside down, but that doesn't matter. Alright. Get the same exact flashlight. Maybe get like an explosive or two. No, not like that. Maybe on the camera. Oh my gosh, the camera just fell. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna make you guys fall. Oh my god, this camera has physics. Alright. Where did I go? Alright, whatever. Come on, where's a baggie? I could put it like right there. Can I? Oh no, that's a bad idea. Alright. Baggie. Alright, whatever. Bro, where are you at, bro? Well, guys, let's go mining again. Bro, he's in planetarium. He's in planetarium, that's what I was trying to say. Until I got cut out. Oh, I think I can hear him in planetarium. You know, the mine's just kind of scary. I am terrified of the angler. Yo, is the angler down in the last part of mines? What love place? Oh, that part. Just like, is he located in the caves of mines? Oh my gosh. Which level? Which level of the mines is he located on? That's filled with lava. Oh. Oh, frick this. Frick, bro. Right, guys. It's very difficult with light, bro. I absolutely hate the angler. Oh, I got a research point. Of course, we're not gonna sell any of these because they're not good. That good for money. So I'm gonna keep on clogging up. Sorry, guys. It's over. So. Or at least I think I might not. I have to make sure not to fall. Oh yeah, there was one thing I'm forgetting. Grappling. Give me 50 silver. Oh, there y'all are. Can y'all see? Oh, y'all can see good now. Well, if I start seeing the angler. I'm at the lowest part of mines, but I'm scared for the angler. I've seen him in the bottom of mines, and I'm scared. Bro, holy frick. Well, let's continue mining up here, because this is the most important spot. Alright. Y'all can see fine the silver. Oh no. Y'all are blinded. Oh my gosh. Oh, I absolutely suck at this. In Gorilla Tag, I am so good at zip lines. Okay. At least I stuck the landing. Alright, y'all can see. Now I'm just gonna mine all of these. I wish it was like a first person. Unless I'm just missing out. Ooh. Just go. No, not yet. Oh, just so you know, I'm talking to one of my friends. I'm not talking to some random stranger or myself. I'm gonna come soon. Alright, let's see. Please. Oh, that's so sad. Okay, bro, I need to get out. No. No, no, no. Come on, there's gold here. These. Nope, nothing. Or nothing good. Nope. I'm not risking anything. I'm not risking anything. Alright, bro, I'm back. That was so stressful.
No, you're not. Huh. But how many company coins do you have?
75.
Oh yeah, I forgot because you bought the Flushy GT hat.
Yeah, I just like the plunger. Yeah, I don't know if you guys have realized. Actually, I think everyone has, but I have a plunger. You can't take it off. Yeah, so, hold on, let me explain the story. One day I was
So
playing around
one
with my
fateful
plunger,
day, I slapped
climbing
a
on the walls.
plunger on this guy's head, and it stayed there forever.
No, let me tell the real story. Okay, so one time, I was climbing with my 2 plungers. I was climbing up a wall. Until I accidentally put this one too far back, and then I accidentally hit my head really, really hard. And I got stuck in my head. And I tried to pull it off, but I can't.
I got you.
I can't do it. I got you.
I got you.
Hey, yo, bro. It's going on YouTube.
Nah.
Hey,
Cut
guys,
that part
well,
out. Cut that part
I
out.
hope you guys had a
Kept it.
good watch. Wait, hold on. Let's do our daily review. I don't think I reviewed the balloon yet. Alright, so look.
Bro, oh my
How
god, bro. You're
sick was
reviewing
this
the balloon, bro? I'm reviewing the boomerang twin.
Alright, so this balloon. I don't know why it took so long to say it. This balloon makes it fly, look. Look, it's so magical. Not this bro with the Abraham Lincoln hat. Let me get my
Yeah.
football back.
And then the boomerang can hit that balloon and it'll pop. Here, let me try to demonstrate. Boom! It hit it and it popped.
Okay, guys, I
So.
got the football back. And it can also make you fly. Alright, first let me just throw this football. Now I'm gonna grab 2
The harder
balloons.
you throw the boomerang, the farther
2,
it'll go,
1.
and the faster.
Help me. Oh, you can't attach it to someone? Wait, hold on.
Wait.
Let me
Wait,
get...
Wait, can you attach a plunger to a balloon? Let me test.
Alright, guys. So look. I'm gonna attach this balloon to my glow stick, then look. Hold on, give me an extra balloon! Help! I'm flying away.
Hiya!
No!
No, bro,
Help!
stuck. And then I can just throw a bomb on there, and then all of them will pop, and then it'll come back down. Stay right there.
No. Bro, you blew my camera away.
I blew you back like a boomerang. Bro, if you had others grab on, then I could
I
easily
got
get
you.
that.
Alright. Well, that's my daily review. I probably will not keep up with this. I think it's, let's see, 7 out of 10. Oh yeah, and you can do this. No! My camera!
Oh yeah, say goodbye to your freaking cameraman.
Where's my remote?
bro, there's an RPG.
Guys, where did y'all go?
I went up to this moment. In my doobity boobity baldy. Up it's like this moment. Oh, I found it!
Yeah, I
I
know.
found it, gang!
Oh my gosh.
Twin! I popped the balloon!
And hold on, let me
Yeah.
spawn my camera.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's glitching. Camera, get over here. Bad. But guys, so such a bad glitch. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna end the video right here. Shout out to this goober. Shout out to that red goober. FNAF guy. Go and subscribe to him if you see this.
What?
Yeah. Hey guys.
Did you tell him to go unsubscribe to me?
I said to subscribe.
I'm gonna be watching your
Oh.
video.
Well, I'm gonna go now, guys. Bye bye.